Follow and subscribe Stenolab India for correct pronunciation, accurate speed and clear voice. General passage on sports. Dictation exercise number 8. Speed 100 words per minute. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Indian cricket has seen many legends, but if there is one name that stands above the rest, it is Virat Kohli. Known for his aggressive batting, unmatched consistency, and fierce leadership, Kohli has carved a legacy that will be remembered for generations. From his early days as a promising young cricketer to becoming one of the finest batsmen in the world, his journey is nothing short of inspirational. He has not only redefined Indian cricket but also set new global benchmarks with his performances. His hunger for runs, intense fitness regime, and ability to chase down daunting targets make him a true king of Indian cricket. Kohli's rise to stardom began when he led India to victory in the 2008 U19 World Cup. Soon after, he made his debut for the senior national team and gradually established himself as a key player. His ability to adapt across all formats, Test, One-Day Internationals, ODIs, and T20s, made him a modern-day great. Over the years, he has broken numerous records, including being the fastest to 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, and 11,000 runs in ODIs. His impeccable technique, aggressive stroke play, and mental strength have helped him dominate the best bowling attacks in the world. He has scored runs in all conditions, proving his mettle in countries like Australia, England, and South Africa, where subcontinental players often struggle. Beyond his batting, Kohli's leadership skills have been a defining aspect of his career. As the captain of the Indian team, he instilled a fearless and aggressive mindset in his players, leading India to memorable victories in Test cricket. Under his captaincy, India became the #1 Test team in the world and secured historic series wins, including the Test series triumph in Australia in 2018-19. His commitment to fitness transformed Indian cricket, inspiring younger players to prioritize athleticism and endurance. Kohli's passion and intensity on the field set him apart, making him a natural leader who leads by example. Even after stepping down as captain, his influence on the team remains strong, and his presence continues to inspire both teammates and fans. Kohli's impact on Indian cricket extends beyond numbers and records. He has played a crucial role in shaping the mindset of the next generation of cricketers, proving that hard work and determination can take one to great heights. His rivalry with other cricketing greats, including Steve Smith, Joe Root, and Babar Azam, has only added to the excitement of the sport. With many years still left in his career, Kohli continues to be a dominant force in world cricket. Whether it is his breathtaking cover drives, his fiery on-field presence, or his dedication to the game, Virat Kohli remains the undisputed king of Indian cricket. Stop. Thank you.